Ever wondered how to make pizza sandwiches at home? Today we unravel the secrets to creating this delectable treat. Pizza sandwiches are more than just a quick fix. They're a testament to the art of fusion, marrying two beloved food items into one delicious package. The beauty of it is you don't need to be a gourmet chef or possess exotic ingredients. All you need are some basic elements found right in your kitchen. So strap on your aprons and get your cooking tools ready as we dive into the process. Firstly, let's gather our ingredients. To create our delightful pizza sandwiches, we need a few simple items that you might already have in your kitchen. We'll start with bread, the canvas for our culinary masterpiece. Any type of bread will do, so feel free to use what you have on hand. Next, we need pizza sauce, the heart of our pizza sandwich. If you don't have any, a blend of tomato sauce and some herbs can work just as well. Then, we'll need cheese, the soul of any pizza creation. Mozzarella is a classic choice, but feel free to get creative with cheddar, Gouda, or even blue cheese. Finally, the toppings, the personality of our sandwich. This can be anything from bell peppers, mushrooms, olives, to pepperoni or chicken. The sky's the limit here. Remember, this recipe is all about flexibility and creativity. Substitutions and additions are not only allowed, but encouraged. Now that we have everything in place, it's time to start cooking. With our ingredients set, the cooking begins. Now let's dive into the heart of the process, preparing our delicious pizza sandwich. First off, grab your bread slices. We're going to start by spreading a generous layer of pizza sauce on one side of each slice. Remember, the sauce is the soul of your pizza sandwich, so don't be shy with it. Next up, it's cheese time. Sprinkle a good amount of your chosen cheese evenly over the sauce. This will give your sandwich that classic gooey pizza feel we all know and love. The fun part comes now. Adding your toppings. You can go wild here. Add your favorite veggies or maybe some pepperoni or chicken if you're a meat lover. Just remember not to overdo it. Why, you ask? Well, overfilling your sandwich could make it difficult to eat and may lead to a soggy mess, and nobody enjoys a soggy pizza sandwich. So moderation is key here. Once you're satisfied with your filling, place the other slice of bread on top, sauce side down, and press lightly. Now it's time to grill. Heat a pan or sandwich grill and cook your pizza sandwich until it's golden brown and the cheese has melted beautifully. Flip it carefully, ensuring both sides are evenly cooked. When it's done, let it cool for a minute or two before diving in. And there you have it, your homemade pizza sandwich is ready to be savored. Let's quickly recap the process. We started off by gathering all our ingredients, including bread slices, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and your choice of toppings. We then spread the pizza sauce on one side of each bread slice, sprinkled the cheese, added the toppings, and covered it with another slice. The sandwich was then toasted until the cheese melted and the bread turned golden brown. Now here's a tip. You can experiment with different types of cheese. Try cheddar, Gouda, or even blue cheese for a unique flavor profile. And don't limit yourself to traditional toppings. How about some sautéed mushrooms, caramelized onions, or even some spicy jalapenos? The possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to a great pizza sandwich lies in its simplicity. So go ahead and surprise your loved ones with this delightful treat.